Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to generate free AI images. To generate free AI images, open up the web browser, then search for Bing Image Generator here. After that, click to open up its official website. Once you are on its site, all you need to do is give it a prompt in the description box. You can use a prompt like an egg singing a song and tap to join and create. The image will be generated successfully, though it might take some time. It will provide you with 3 to 4 images. Click on any of the following images. Then click to download the image from here. Now, save the downloaded image into your dashboard folder. Just like being AI, let's explore another free image generator. To do that, click to open it up in a new tab. Search for Dream Studio here. Then click to open its official website. Once you are on it, you can input a prompt to generate the image. For example, you can say an egg singing a song once again. Also, you can choose the specific image count by adjusting the bar. After that, simply click on Dream. It will take some time to generate the image as per your prompt. It might ask you to log in into your account, so you can click to log in with your Google account. Then choose the account and click to continue. After selecting your account, click to accept it. Now adjust the bar to set your image count and click on Dream to generate the image. It will take some time to generate the image. Now click to open up the image and tap to download it. After that, save it on your download folder. Once you are done, open up a new tab, then search for Night Cafe here. Now click to open up the Night Cafe site. After getting onto the site, pass the prompt in the description box once again. Enter the command as an egg singing a song and click to create it. You can also choose different style for your image. Then it will ask you to sign in to continue. Choose to continue with your Google account. After that, choose your Google account and click to confirm. Now you are able to see the image you generated. Then download the image by clicking on the download icon. And after that, save this generated image into your downloads folder and then open up the downloads folder and you can see all of your created images is here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share your comments or questions down below.